Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You must confirm you own the Android device before taking action. Have purchase documentation, the Google account email tied to the phone, and the IMEI or serial ready. Once done, make sure the phone is charged above half and connected to the internet. Many legitimate recovery methods require connectivity. If you cannot prove ownership, stop and contact the original owner or law enforcement. This step avoids legal trouble and speeds up support from Google or the manufacturer when you request a reset or account recovery. Start with the official paths because they protect user data and comply with law. If the lock screen offers Google account options, follow account recovery using your credentials and recovery email or phone. If that fails and you own the device, use Google's Find My Device to remotely erase the phone. It removes the lock but also deletes user data, so back up first if possible. Once that's attempted, contact your device maker or carrier with proof of purchase to request in-person authorized service if needed. When official recovery routes fail, a factory reset is the final legitimate option. Remember, it erases all personal files and apps. If the device reboots into an activation lock, you'll need the original Google account credentials or proof of purchase to complete setup. If you cannot provide that, authorized service centers can verify ownership and perform an OEM reflash or repair, but they will require ID and proof. If anything goes wrong during these steps, stop and contact the manufacturer support line for guided assistance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.